Now in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your own voicemail app on your site and add it to your sites, and how you can use the entire interface and how to go about it. All right. So once you log into your account, you will be able to see a page just like this, right? So here you actually have to go in and click on add widget, and this will show you a page where you can actually add the details of your widget. All right. So this is the widget name. So you can probably put in your website name here. So I'll put in Create Ventures, let's say, for example. You can put a recorder heading. Let's say I'll just type in my company name here, and the record button text and the duration of the recording. You can set how long do you want each voicemail to be, and then a thank you message. All right. And you can also set options to require a name and email when the capture is done. All right. You can also set up the pop-up information. So this is what will show on the pop-up options, and this is the page. This is the page section. So here you can add your own image or your company logo in the cover image part, and then you can add some kind of helpful text that I will show you what I've added on my page. But this can be like a more of an introduction about you and a call to action to leave you a voicemail. All right. So once you do this, you can just hit on save, and then it will basically save the information for you. All right. So once you do this, you will be able to go back to the widget page from the top menu, and then you can see that this is your Create Ventures widget, and you can click on Get Code. And this Get Code will basically give you three types of code. So this is the inline widget code. So this inline widget code is something you will copy and paste, and then you can insert this into any page you want. So if you have a HTML page or a WordPress page, you can insert this information over there. So let me just copy and paste this, and I will show you how I've done this on my website. So I'll go into my WordPress admin area over here, and you can go into the post section or the pages section. So let me go into pages here, and I will add this to my about page, let's say. So I have this about me page, and I want people to leave a voicemail from the about page, so they will quickly be able to do that. So basically, once you go into the editor, you can see you can either be in the visual mode or you can be in the text mode. All right. So go into the text mode, and this is where you should probably just go in the end and then just copy and paste the code. All right. So you can insert this anywhere you want. I wanted to insert at the bottom, so I will do that over here. Then I will go ahead and update this. And then once the update is done, I can just view this page over here. And you will see that this is my website opening up right now. And when I go scroll down, you will see the voice message option is there. So this is basically leaving a voice message to Create Ventures, because this is the widget I had used. And then click on record, and then it will basically start recording as I've pressed that button. And once the recording is complete, they can click on the stop button here, and then insert a name and email here, and then hit send. So this will immediately send the voicemail, and then it will also send an email notification to me, the site owner, to actually get so that you know that I received a voicemail. And then you can see here that my voicemail will appear. So let me show you where this voicemail will appear. It will go into the inbox. So I'll go into the inbox here, and you will see in the inbox I have a new voicemail here that has come for me from Ankur, which is basically me, and here I can play the voicemail, or if I want I can download the voicemail as well. All right, it shows one new voicemail over here. Right. Also in the leads part here, you can see that a new lead would have been captured. So I used the same email again, so it did not capture me this time. But let me just quickly show you one more time, because I want to show you the lead capture part as well. So I will leave another voicemail over here, and this will start recording, and I'll just do this for a few seconds. And after that, I will put in a name, say Sandeep, and then I'll put my JV email and hit send. So this has been sent, and then when I go into the voicemail section over here, I will see a new voicemail here from Sandeep. See here, it has come here, and then it shows green, which is basically unread. And then I will go into the leads section over here, and it will show me that there is a new lead captured over here, right? And from this widget name. So this basically shows how the leads will be captured, and if you want, you can email this person from here directly. And if you want, you can also send an email to all. So this will send a mass email to everyone who is in your leads. Also, you can export all the leads in a CSV format, and this will quickly download all the leads for you. So this will basically download the leads in a CSV format, and you can open them and do them and basically import them anywhere you want. All right. Next, I want to show you, which is the voicemail widget. Another option we have is basically the pop-up code here. So this pop-up code, you can actually copy this code, and then you can basically copy and paste it into any page or your website header or anywhere you want. So I will show you how I'm using this on a HTML site. So I have this HTML site. Let me quickly open this up. So this is an HTML site that I have. And this is more like a corporate site. So you can see there is a lot of information here and images and everything, right? So there's no voicemail option over here. So I will quickly add the code over here for voicemail. So I'll go into my file manager. So this is the control panel of my website. I will try to find the file manager over here. And my website is basically in this folder somewhere. So my website is in the site folder. Index.html is my site file name. I will edit this with an editor. All right, so once the file is open, I will insert this code in the head section. So before this head section ends, I will basically insert this into the head section here. So this is my script for the head section, and I will hit on save changes, and that is all I need to do. Now when I refresh this page over here, I will have a voicemail option popping up somewhere. All right, so you can see this leave a voicemail option here. So this is basically what I've added here, and it will show up on the page. And if you want to add this all across your site, you can just put it in a header or a footer file, and it will show up all across your site. And this basically sends a pop-up like this, and I can start recording, and then it starts recording over here. And it starts to record over here, and then it'll just, once I complete my recording, it will stop and it will send a message. Right, so this is how it works, and this voicemail will work perfectly on any HTML site or any other site you have. Another thing I wanted to show you was is the widget page. So this is the voice page option. So what you can do here with the voice page option is you can actually create your own page, which is, so if you don't have a website or if you want to share this page on social media sites, you can quickly use voice pages. So voice pages is a very cool thing because we host the page for you. Simply copy and paste this into a new page, and you will see this is my voice page. So this is the image I had added, this is the short message I had added, and this basically makes this page for me. It's a nice and clean page where people can go and leave me a voice message. All right, so it allows me to record a voice message, and once the recording is done, it will email me the voice message instantly, right? So you can create any number of voice pages you want, and this is perfect if you don't have a website or if you want to share these on, say, social media. So this is perfect for that because you don't need to have a website to use the voice pages. All right, so this is like your own profile page where you can leave a voicemail. All right, so this is great, and use this for your business, and I hope you start getting more leads and more sales.